Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your PC faster or Windows 11 faster, or how to fix the lagging problem. So there are many basic ways that I will show you first, then I will show you some of the alternative ways that you haven't heard it before that may affect your lagging. So the first thing, I'm gonna go with the basic ones. That means you have to right click on it of the Windows button here, then tap on the run, then you have to type %temp%, then just go to that particular files and you have to just delete all the files here. Okay, just delete it, select all of it and delete it. Okay, after deleting it, you can just empty the recycle bin, skip all the things, those are not deleting, just delete the recycle ones, empty recycle bin. After that, you can go to the run button again, okay, and type just temp and delete all the files from here. It will make your PC faster instantly, okay, but I will show you other ways so that your PC doesn't lag later. Okay, so this is gonna be amazing way I have found. I'm gonna share it. So just empty the recycle bin again. So that's all about the instant fasting. And the second method, that means the advanced method, you have to follow. You have to search for settings option. Okay, it's just directly go to privacy setting, that will be better. You can see privacy and control, home, there are so many options here. Just go to privacy. Okay, I'm gonna go to privacy and security. Here it is. Now go to the speech and you can see online speech recognition. You have to turn this off. Okay, after that, there is inking and type personalization. You have to disable it again. So you have to go through all the things like diagnostic feedbacks, search permission. So you have to basically disable all the things. After that, you can see app permission. If you are not using the location, you can just go to the location and you can disable it. This may help your problem. Now at the left portion, you can see personalization. Just go to it and there is a colors option. Go to colors option. Then you can see transparency effect. You have to just disable it. But why do you disable it? Because it may restrict your animation. That may help you to solve the lagging problem. You can just go to the run option and you can search for msconfig. Just tap OK. Just go to the service option, then you can hide all the Microsoft service and you can disable all the things. So this can be really helpful here. If I just view advanced setting, you have to search for view advanced setting. That will open your system properties. You can see I was just struggling to get this option actually, as it has been changed on Windows 11. So you have to go to the advanced option, then go to the settings option. Then you can see it is written here adjust for best performance. You have to select it and you have to apply for it. As I'm not having the problem, I'm gonna let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So after that, you have to restart your computer and hopefully there will be no lagging problem. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we always try to struggle to find the best and valid way for you. So don't forget to subscribe and see you